Hello, and it's Di Downey, and today I've been cooking up a storm in my kitchen. It's a wet, rainy West Australian Saturday afternoon when I cut this video for you. And so let me show you. Like, I always make a soup. I eat a lot of soups. They are so good for you. They digest very slowly. And then I often do something sweet for the week, and then something to nibble on. So this week it's some little veggie patties. And there's my muesli for the week. So basically I've got a nice, clean start, exciting, lots of basics done for this week. Some of that I will freeze, some of it I won't. And then I know exactly what's in the basis of my food for this week that helps me to keep my energy and my clarity and really my life going so easily and smoothly. Have a great day wherever you are, and tell me what you do to prepare your food for the week.